Hi friends, welcome back to Souza's kitchen. Friends, today I will share with you tangy spicy chicken Cafreal recipe. Chicken Cafreal is Portuguese influenced dish popular in Goan cuisine. It is perfect dish for your parties and get together. So let's check the recipe. Half kg chicken cut into big pieces, 2 large size potatoes, whole spices, in that black cardamom, 3 to 4 cloves, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon shah jeera and 1 cinnamon, 1 big bunch of fresh pudina leaves, 1 big bunch of coriander leaves, salt, 6 to 7 green chilies, 20 to 30 cloves garlic, 1 lemon juice or 2 tablespoon vinegar, 1 inch ginger. Wash the chicken and make deep cuts on the pieces. Now into the mixer jar, add garlic, pudina leaves, coriander leaves, green chilies, ginger, all whole spices, lemon juice or vinegar. Grind them into a smooth paste. Peel out the potatoes and cut them into thick slices. Place them with chicken pieces. Now add salt as per your taste, grinded masala, and marinate chicken and potatoes. Make sure all pieces are coated evenly. Keep this marinated chicken in refrigerator for 4 to 5 hours. After 5 hours, I have removed the chicken from the refrigerator. Let it stay to the room temperature for 10 minutes. Now add 1 tablespoon of oil into the frying pan and place chicken pieces and potatoes